With tax deadlines right around the corner, it's important to file the right paperwork, especially when you own a business. Knowing what exemptions and reductions are available to you can help you save a little money.
Michigan is one of a handful of states in the country that actually imposes a tax on personal property as opposed to real property. And that has been detrimental to some businesses because, the mentality is you pay a tax when you buy the property, and then you have to continue to pay taxes on it while you own the property, and that adds to the cost of doing business.
A few years ago, several laws were passed to help reduce or eliminate some costs that come with owning a certain type of business. The first being a small business tax exemption.
If your business owns property that is valued up to $80,000, you are entitled to have that entirely exempt from paying any personal property taxes. Now, the key to that is the depreciated value. So you may have property that when purchased new was worth much more than that $80,000, but as you depreciate it, and with each successive year, it becomes valued less and less. And if you're under that $80,000 threshold, you can claim that exemption.
Using the form L4175, the personal property statement, you itemize possessions and calculate depreciation. If you can claim the exemption, then you can use the form 5076 and file an affidavit to claim small business tax exemption. Those forms must be completed before February 10th. The second option is to claim qualified eligible manufacturing personal property. This is then divided into two categories. The first is equipment put into use after 2012, and the second is pre-existing equipment placed into use more than 10 years ago. For this, you would use Form 5278, and that must be completed before February 20th. If you have further questions, it would be important to get in touch with your tax advisor to help you get exemptions and reductions. With My News 26, I'm Wyatt Van Dynen.